the sixth session of the International Climate Webinar Series. We are heading right in the discussion about the clean mobility future in the US with a lineup of amazing speakers and leaders with an innovation in the transportation innovation with truck battery swapping. The main goal here is to gather leaders through the industry to find the real solution, economically viable, technologically innovative enough, and discuss how we can invest and fund this change in the future.
I'm Joseph Consoli. I'm the Director of Fleet and Travel Management Services for the state of Maryland. Transition to electric and more sustainable fuels is viable, and technology is moving in accordance with that. If you look back 100 years or 120 years, the gas model had a problem getting integrated as well. It's all about logistics. It's all about making sure you lay the groundwork for whatever it is you're going to use. And I think once we get there and the technology continues to improve and the battery life extends and the charges last longer and all those things, I think it will absolutely be what we expect.
So I'm here to talk about how we can streamline and standardize the risk, the underwriting risk in sustainability financing. We have a variety of products, and when we're offering that, we don't want to complicate that for our borrowers, and we have a streamlined process for them and for ourselves, so we can be efficient and quick and deliver the results that our borrower would like to have.
Class A diesel trucks are the second largest polluter in the United States. And there are 4 million of them on the roads. And one of our goals here is basically to provide the tools and the economics to help accelerate the transition to other forms of energy, including electricity, obviously.
We hope that at the end of this session, our leaders have developed a meaningful connection, have started discussion overall about how they can help each industry within the transportation segment to go further and get sustainable and clean in the US.